This is the latest version of the oxygen bar vending machine. Made of all solid steel cabinet, rugged design, bill acceptor. Can also come with the credit card machine. Place your money in. Nose hose dispenses out through the bottom. Open it up. Your nose hose. Get your nose hose out. Put it on. Hook it up to your hose. And select whatever flavor. You can tell it's running. Bubbles will be bubbling. And will bubble for the whole time of the timer. Lights light up on the buttons. You can select whichever scent you want at the time. And when the machine cuts off, the lights will shut off so you know that the timer is done. Put in another $5, dispense another hose.
Yeah.